So blue flags over gets the money and what's next blue. Fly back to the table and blue wants to. There you go, donate your money. Ayaw pa kayo pinibigay sila kayo. Okay, mag-sa'yo na. This time, figure out na. 500 pesos na ba? 500. There are no. Our green-wing macaw planet. As you can see, this is our wing-red plumage. Her wings are blue and green, with white picket face striped with small red feathers. So bandits scientific name is Arachnodorus. So bandits, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Understand? Hello. Next is our blue and gold macaw birdie. A blue and gold macaw birdie.
Punta ka doon.
So what was this game? It's a first shape dance puzzle. Now let's turn back to show us how intelligent he is. Go ahead. So the one is the identified food, shelter, and illuminated food nest. Last shape of it. So that's it. Food is searching and sharp. Using his scientific power and there you go. She found it. Is our umbrella pattern measure. Also the last great white crescent cartoon. So now again is our Peruvian cartoon. So now your equation is 20 plus 22. So guys, ako sa tagal si Trainer of Sino na mag-study. Kaya dapat ako maging ang number na lapas na. So your equation is 20 plus 22. So Trainer, nanalo study. Are you sure? So now give me the first number. So grabs number 4. So guys, if the first number is correct, yes, that's no really sure answer. So 20 plus 22 is 40. Those who are not those or math wizards, no. So nagkaroon nila ang luha. Please. So the one to have small animals, snake and rodent. This bird prefer habitat of woodland and forest. So if you are ready and Philippine eagle, Philippine eagle are 3 times larger than Freddy. So as you notice, our trainer are using a graph to connect us to the large snow. So as in our Philippines are the eagle Freddy. So Freddy is our rescue bird, bringing us up to clean during physical meaning to the field to find a attitude and location. So bisag asa pa na silang grupo ay matuyong kung balik ka nila asa sila ikan.
Balik-balik ko.
please keep your minds in this ways, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. See if you can do it, so can we. So we go in our
Kaya alam na tayo. Mag-alaw na.
Ayun, kung siya, ano ito, maglan sa ato maraming lugar. Okay.